How to fix can't find Bluetooth in Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So if you want to fix can't find Bluetooth option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your file manager. Under your file manager, you need to come to the left side, go with this PC and go with local disk C. And under your local disk C, you need to just scroll down and find the Windows folder. Under your Windows, you need to go with System32. After opening your System32, here on the upper right, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for FSQUIRT. And once you find that, so you just need to simply right click on it, copy this. After copying from here, you need to paste it on your desktop. And once you've pasted, then you will have your Bluetooth. After doing that, you can also go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with search and you can search for Bluetooth, and here you need to go and toggle it on. That's it. That's how you can fix can't find Bluetooth in your Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.